Amukira ngeithi ciakwa utuku wa umuthi mwiroreri wa Kameme TV na ni mwihoko wakwa ati ni watidio ro wega. Riu ni ihinda ria mutamburuko wa mohoro tukunengereria riboti cia maundu maria matinda makihanika twamukire matemo mamo. Mamwe maria tuguthagathagiire mutamburuko-ini wa mohoro. Arutwo a thukuru wa airetu wa Butere kurega guthaka muthako wao wa ngerekano wa Echoes of War uria urehete urugari. Thirikari ikigeria kurugamia ndukonanio macindano-ini maria marathie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.
The government did not stop Butere girls from performing.
Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya githomo kuregana na ndeto ati niyo igirireirie arutwo a thukuru wa airetu wa Butere guthaka muthako wa Echoes of War macindano-ini maria marathie na mbere thukuru-ini wa Melvin Jones. Aikari a Muragara kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga guteta kumana na wongerereku wa ciiko cia uhoguku wa ugitiri, makiuga ati ceceni ya borithi ya Muragara ikoretwo itari na mabithaa a borithi kuma mwaka wa 2018. Na kanjo ya nini ya magavana kwendekithia mehokerwo kuramata gicunjĩ kia 40% kia budget ya kaunti, makiuga kwa ihinda rĩrĩ kaunti 24 kuri na ngucanio gatagati kao na magavana. Riboti cio nĩ tũgũkũnengereria na njĩra ĩgwete oro ũndũ ũmwe na riboti ingĩ iria tũrĩ nacio nĩ ũndũ wa mwĩroreri wa Kameme TV na gĩtĩo kĩnene mũno ngĩkũria wĩtĩkĩre tũtwarane kuma rĩu nginya tũrĩkie mũtamburuko. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngũnjiri, tũgũkorwo tũrĩ na Wangũi wa Mwangi arĩ mũthethaũri na njĩra ya ciĩko. Twambĩrĩrie na ici cia atĩ arutwo a thukuru wa airetu wa Butere nĩ maregire kuonania mathako kana mũthako wao wa Echoes of War ũrĩa ũrehete ũrugarĩ mũingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Thirikari ikigeria kurugamia ndukonanio macindano-ini maria marathie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, na handũ-ini ha ũguo Maina rwĩmbo rwa bũrũri airetu aya maugĩte maregire guthaka ithako rĩu thutha wa kwagagio nĩ mabithaa ũgitĩri kũrĩa maingĩririo kũrĩa mekwagĩrĩire kuonania rungu kana kuonania rungu rwa ũgitĩri mũnene na maimwo mweke wa kwĩhumba matonyo ma guthaka namo na mathaga mangĩ maria marahũthĩra mũthako-inĩ ũcio.
Thutha wa thigithigi iria gumeire kuonanio kwa muthako wa ngerekano wa Echoes of War uria uthakitwo ni thukuru wa airetu wa Butere Girls kuma kaunti-ini ya Kakamega, muthia airetu aya ni maregire kuonania muthako wao magiteta kwagagio ni maabithaa a borithi.
As the best, even if it's an audience, not official, even if it means how can you be out of the festival.
Arutwo aya maigirire nyumba-ini iria mekwagirire kuonaniria muthako uyu rungu rwa ugitiri munene wa maabithaa a borithi, na arutwo aria angi hamwe na muingi magirio kuingira kwirorera na niguo macokire kuimwo mweke wa gwikira matonyo ma guthaka namo undu umwe na magemio na mathaga ma guthakaria ithako riao mugaru na uria mathukuru mangi makoretwo makiromboio.
Tulikuwa tunashangaa, how are we going to perform without anything? We have not seen our director, we have not practiced because we need him for our rehearsal. How are we supposed to rehearse? Tear gas was in the air. How do you want us to do diffusion? Tear gas was in the air. Everywhere. How do you want us to rehearse? We were denied the chance to rehearse because everyone else went to sleep. While everyone else was rehearsing, we were chased home. We were told to go home. You don't know how far we've come for us to be here.
Undu uyu ucungireire mihango thukuru-ini wa Melvin Jones kuria mathako maya marathie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Naikuru irugame kwa ihinda guku arutwo na muingi makiumagaria bathi ya Butere Girls makinaga nyimbo cia ucamba na kumenereria thirikari. Thutha wa kurekererio kuma ceceni-ini ya Eldamaravine kuria ekuhingiritwo, Cleophas Marara uria niwe mwandiki wa ithako riri ni atugiririe ucamba wa arutwo acio magitetera kihoto kiao ta arutwo aria angi.
And I want to take this opportunity to celebrate the heroines of Butere Girls today. It will be inscribed in history that you are there when the history of this country was being written. And I want to take this opportunity to celebrate you and tell you that as a nation, you are loved.
Giko giki ni gikumithetio ni atongoria matiganite ari ni hamwe na mutongoria wa kiama kia DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa na mubunge wa Githunguri Gathoni wa Mucoba.
We are showing the world what kind of a dictator we have. Someone who would violate press freedom, prevent the media from covering a national event, someone who would tear gas children who have just come to, express their talent. And this is not the first time he's doing it. It hasn't just happened to Butere girls here in Nakuru. It happened to the children of Langata.
We cannot afford to remain passive when these extreme violations are happening to our children. Kenya must choose between tyranny and liberty. Finally, we stand firm in belief that the measure of our democracy lies on how we protect our children, our young people, and the productive age of this republic. We must act now to safeguard their rights and ensure that such brutality is never repeated again.
Age makumithitie giko giki ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, uria wari minister wa utungata wa muingi Justin Muturi, president wa kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini Faith Odhiambo, na uria wari mucirithania munene David Maraga, hamwe na ikundi ingi makiuga thirikari ni ikurukite mihaka na kwagarara ihoto cia ciana na riu bururi werekeire kuingira rungu rwa koigi uteragwo. Okaidini okau ruhonge rwa borithi ni rukumithitie giko kia muthenya wa ira hwaini kuria maabitha a borithi maratharĩkĩire andĩki a mohoro aria mararumanagĩrĩra na Marara. Riu rukiuga giko giki ni kirathuthurio na maabitha aria mekunyitikana na mahitia ni megutacũkĩrio makinya marũrũ ma kĩwatho.
Jiulize kama Mkenya, inawezekanaje kwamba mwanaharakati wa siasa ndio sasa ni mwalimu mkuu mwenye anaandikia wanafunzi mambo ambayo yanasema na anatumia wanafunzi kusema mambo ya kisiasa. Jamii, mpaka imefika wakati ambapo mtu mwenye kabisa tunajua ako mrengo fulani ya kisiasa, yeye ndio mwalimu mkuu ya mambo ya kuendeleza siasa kupitia wanafunzi. Ningeomba kwa heshima ya kwamba tutofautishe mambo yetu ya siasa na mambo ya shule.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.
Tũkwamba gũikara o riboti-inĩ ĩyo, na nĩ atĩ ministry ya gĩthomo yugĩte ndĩnanyita itemi o rĩothe harĩ gĩthagathago kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩthiĩ na mbere kĩgiĩ mũthako wa ngerekano ũrĩa ũgũtanyĩtwo gũkinyanĩrio nĩ arutwo kuma thukuru-inĩ wa airĩtu wa Butere hĩndĩ ya mambura ma 63 ma mathako ma ngerekano ya thukuru cia thekondarĩ marĩa marathiĩ na mbere kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru. Maya mokĩte rĩrĩ, mwandĩki wa mũthako ũyũ ũrĩa ũkũrĩkanĩte ta Echoes of War, Cleophas Malala, eteteire akiuga mũthako ũyũ ũramũrĩka maũndũ ngũrani marĩa magomeire a Kenya, akiuga gũtiuma gĩtũmi o gĩothe gĩa kũima arutwo aya mweke wa kwĩitũrũra ithenya-inĩ rĩa makiri maingĩ ma a Kenya.
Umuthi ugutanyitwo gukorwo ari muthi wa mwanya kuri arutwo thukuru-ini wa airĩtu wa Butere. Ugiuma muthenya wa njata gucangarara hindi ya mambura ma 63 ma mithako ya ngerekano ya thukuru cia secondary ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru. Arutwo aya megutanyitwo gukinyaniria muthako uria ũkũrĩkanĩte ta Echoes of War, uria nĩ gĩcicio kĩa maũndũ marĩa mahanĩkire mwaka mũhĩtũku hĩndĩ ya mĩrũrũngano ya Gen Z.
Umeaktiwa na shule ya msingi ya Butere Girls. Umefuzu kutoka sub county, ilikuwa nambari 1, county ikawa nambari 1, na katika regionals wale adjudicators waliipatia max 90 na hawakuwa na tashwishi yote na mchezo huu.
Iyo kinene kia arutwo aya na mehariria maihinda iraya ona kuhanũrwo ũguo matuĩkire toho mutheri kurumirira githagathago kiria kirigicĩirie muthako uyu uria wandĩkĩtwo nĩ uria wari senator wa Kakamega Cleophas Malala, uria ũtarĩirie atĩ gũtiuma gĩtũmi kĩiganu thirikari gũthagathagia arutwo aya.
Huu unaangazia maswala ya vijana ambao wanaitwa almaarufu Gen Z, kwamba wanaelekeza good governance free of corruption. Wanasema kwamba hawataki mambo ya ufisadi Kenya hii. Kama watu wako hawezi kuambia, basi wanafunzi wa Butere walikuwa wamekuja leo kukuambia they want a country that has got good governance and that is free from corruption.
Ona kuhana roguo, thirikari yugite ndinanyita itemi o riothe githagathago-ini giki. Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba akiuga arutwo aya maumana mweke ende mashagura kwaga gukinyaniria muthako uyu.
The government did not stop Butere girls from performing. You are very aware that the students were allowed to perform at 8 o'clock. When they came to the stage and after the national anthem, one of them stepped forward and said they are not willing to perform without their director, Mr. Malala. Mr. Malala is not a teacher in Butere, he's not a director in Butere, he's not a director of that play. So the students of their own volition decided not to participate.
Ministry ya Githomo oho ikimenereria githagathago giki na kuruta mukana kuri arugamiriri a mathukuru iguru regie gwitikiria andu kuma na nja mathukuru-ini gukorwo makinyita itemi mithako-ini ta ino. Thirikari ikiuga ndigwitikiria uteti kuingirio mathukuru-ini. Murugamo ota uyu ukiheanwo ni kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC. Riri tirita ria mbere muthako uyu gwikirirwo nganja gukirikana mubango urari kuweheria kaimana thiini wa mithako ya ngerekano iria irathie na mbere. Ona kuhana roguo, igoti nene ria Nyamira muthi wa keri kiumia giki kuhitukira mucirithania Winfrida Okwani rikihitukia muthako uyu guthie na mbere.
Koti ilipeana order na tumekuja nayo jana. Jana vile tumefika kule, wamekataza watoto kufanya rehearsal yoyote. Wamefungiwa kwa chumba kimoja na wakaambiwa wasitoke pale, chakula wanaletewa pale na wasijaribu hata kupitia mistari ya play hiyo.
Hadwini Hakameme TV jitagugina wabaduro.
Uo niguo maundu magitinda kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Reke riu tumurike ndeto cia muthemba ungi. Kaunti 40 hari kaunti 47 ire na ndugamano gatagati ka magavana na anini ao undu uria ukirie guthararia uruti wa wira kaunti-ini icio. O ne kuringana na kanjo ya gibururi ya anini a magavana aria riu mendekithitie makinya makinyukio ma gutigirira wabici ya munini wa gavana ni agia na hinya wayo. Riu makiuga wabici ino ikoretwo itari kana ikarete orota mahwa tu. Na riboti ino tuharairio ni Bataru wa Mwangi.
Ni mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igiuganio wa mahinya kuria gutuikite iciro ria gutwithania magavana na anini ao kuria anini ya magavana mekinyitie magitetera kuongererwo kwa hinya hari wabici 47 cia anini ya magavana guothe bururi-ini. Kuringana na muikaririete wa kanjo ya anini ya magavana uria nowe munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Laikipia Ruben Kamuri, wabici ya munini wa gavana umuthi tario ta mahwa na gutire hinya ona umwe gitigirwo na ni hide thukirwo mawira matiganite kiwatho.
Why have the deputy governor and he cannot be able to serve his people because the same office has been crippled completely? We are not seeking for power, we are not seeking for money issues, we are only seeking the office to be able to be operational so that it can be able to support its people.
We have a pool of professionals, we have economists, we have doctors, name it. And therefore, these are people being paid a very good salary. And the critical thing is that they come to office and they have no bare minimums. What is it that you come to do in the office?
Kwa gukorwo kuheanitwo mawira maria munini wa gavana agerire gutigirwo kiwatho wathukiririo na makiria riu anini ya magavana makiuga undu uyu maigaga ihugo kurio na magavana mamagararaga nginyagia micemani ya uramati wa county riu wabici ino ikiaga ugi o wothe.
We are fraud girls. We need it to be clarity on the functions and laws of deputy governors. Once you go to the office in the morning, what is it that you do? And so as we can bring value for money for the people who pay us a salary, who are the people of this country.
We are not asking for anything outside the constitution. All we are asking for is that the office of the deputy governor be functionalized.
Kuringana na Kamuri kwa ihinda riri ta kaunti 40 gatakati ka 47 iri na ndugamano gatakati ka magavana na anini ao undu rio twikite muhinga hari gukinyaniria tabarira cia kaunti.
Devolution is not going to work if we continue sidelining that office of the deputy governors.
We have the Deputy President with his budget to run his office and the affairs of his office. But when we come to the county governments, the deputy governors have no budget. They operate at the whims of the governors.
Ona kuri ugo ndugamano gatagata-ini ka wabici ino na magavana yage iguru kuria kanjo ya magavana ikinyitie kuregana na mendekithia maya na njira nene muikariri giti kanjo-ini ino Governor Ahmed Abdullahi akiuga ri ni ikinya ria guturia kaunti na ndugamano itathiraga.
The council opines that rather than curing any perceived mischief, the bill could foment more tension in our counties by creating overlapping roles between the governor and the deputy governor, fueling inter-office rivalry. It will create two centers of power.
When you go for vying for those positions, you have the governor's position and the deputy governor's position. Of your own choice, you choose to be. So today, by legislating what we are doing, we are simply trying to create a governor through a back door.
Kurigana na magavana hinya wa nini ya magavana wagirire guikara o uria uri umuthi hatari kuongererwo na hanini kuona kumongerera wira hinya ona kana budget kwa ya kumekira urugari ona wakwambikira magavana o mashira matathiraga o makigucanirio ramati wa county.
Let's not create counties with two executives, chief executives, each calling his cabinet in a different office of the county.
All deputy governors must look for a working relationship with their governors.
Hadini Kameme TV letorako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.
Na riboti yo niyo yatukinyithiria ihinda ritu ria kwamba guikirio ro hanini mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ni tugukorwo tugicokereria gicunje gia keri ndugathengie mutambo.
Kabla nichukue simu yako, wacha nikwambie. Ile mawe ambayo ilikataliwa na wajenzi, nimeipata leo. Nimeenda kuuma dengu. Nimeuma kamawe na mwasikia uchungu. Nikajua, haya, kumbe ile mawe ilikataliwa na wajenzi na kwa ndani ya dengu. Mwasikia uchungu.
Ili kuset mawe kwa ndengu kama skiza tune yako, dial *811*616#.
The fun never stops on Star Times. This Easter and April school holidays. Get ready for non-stop adventure, laughter, and learning for big and little kids.
Oh, wow! That sounds wonderful!
Renew your subscription for 2 months and get a free upgrade to the next high bouquet for 2 months. Dive into the best kids entertainment with Boing, Jim Jam, CBeebies, Toonami, Da Vinci, ST Tunes, and Cartoon. There's something for every little explorer. Renew your subscription for 2 months and get a free upgrade to the next high bouquet for 2 months.
What do you say to that?
For endless fun, action, and discovery all holiday long. Download Star Times on app and enjoy your favorite shows anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.